Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Booth Draxall gas station. This is it on the what we're driving into. This is one of the nice gas stations in Jamaica, and they have a supermarket, as you can see straight ahead, and then they have a call center, IBX, also in here. Now as you can see, it's being expanded. There on the left, there's a pharmacy. Very, very nice setup. This is the kind of progress you like to see in Jamaica. So we are in the Draxall area, and this is one of the fastest growing communities in Jamaica. Okay, so if we turn left here now, we go down to Mommy Bay, and turn right, we go back into, okay, let's turn, oh, we're gonna go right, go into Draxall. This is a northern coastal highway that we're going on. It's a very busy road. Takes you all the way from Port Antonio to Negril. But the section we're on now is will take you from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay. And this section is actually going to be expanded to 4 lanes. That's how busy the road is. So this is a Draxall area. Now, Draxall is the fastest growing community in Jamaica because it has so many homes. Thousands of homes have been built already, and thousands more are under construction. And when you have that kind of development, you're going to find supermarkets coming along. You have a KFC that just opened, you have a Starbucks that just opened, you have a Pizza Hut that just opened, a Sakura restaurant that just opened. And the reason why these things are all significant is there's another development that's being built on the left. You have like KFC in Ocho Rios, which is 10 minutes in one direction. You have KFC in St. Anne's Bay, which is 5 minutes in the other direction. And yet they're building another one in Draxall because that's just how populated Draxall has become. A lot of supermarkets are opening up in Draxall. For instance, Progressive Foods is setting up a supermarket in Draxall. 10 minutes in the opposite direction, you have Progressive Foods in Ocho Rios. You have so many supermarkets in St. Anne's Bay, but this area has become so developed. Okay, on the right is where you have the KFC and the Pizza Hut and the Starbucks. You have the Knutsford Express depot over there. You have a lot of other developments. There's actually a plaza being built over there. A lot of developments going on. On the left now you have another plaza being built. Over here on the left it says Future Home and Total Tools. We still have more developments here. We're still in the Draxall area. On the right now is another massive development. It's that property you enter there. It's like 4 or 5 different developments over there, but you enter through one gate, and it goes all the way back to the beach. That's how far back that development goes. Alright, so you turn left here, now you're going to St. Anne's Bay. And somebody pointed out that Draxall is actually, it's not a town, it's a a community in St. Anne's Bay. But I'm sure that designation is going to change soon because it is growing so fast. Well, maybe not, because Ocho Rios, the capital of St. Anne is actually St. Anne's Bay, not Ocho Rios, but Ocho Rios is by far a much larger town, far more developed. But St. Anne's Bay is still the capital. Alright, so this is the main entrance now into St. Anne's Bay from the Northern Coastal Highway. On the right is actually the St. Anne's Bay Harbour. So this entire section of the road we're driving on now is going to be expanded to 4 lanes. This is the Northern Coastal Highway that we're on. I just realized this is actually a taxi in front of us. This must be the first. Oh, it's a Juto, but I've never seen a Benz like this with the red plate on it. Hi guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.